Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about our JIC-750 and JIC-755 coax cable cutters. These two tools are specifically designed to cut hardline coax cable, the JIC-750 for cables up to 3/4 of an inch, and the JIC-755 for up to 1 inch. They are made of chrome vanadium steel, have induction hardened edges for long life and durability. The tools have a unique shape to help keep the cable inside the jaws while it's being cut. They're simple to use. Simply place it over the cable and rotate back and forth like you would with a pipe cutter. The reason to do this, and slowly squeeze as you're doing this, you'll do it several times. The reason for doing this is to keep the cable's end from being distorted. They also have a vinyl cushion grip for additional comfort. These are not meant to be used on steel, as the steel will damage the edge. Thank you.